Welcome back on an exciting video. Today is lesson 3 and today I'm going to talk about pointers, arrays and structures, which are going to look on introduction to pointers, introduction to arrays, pointers into arrays, references, introduction to structures, introduction to union and enumerations. And what is pointers? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. And a pointer can be used with any data type. Yes, it can be used with any data type, being it int data type, float data type, double, yes, being it any data type. And creating of pointers, a pointer can be declared in the same way as any other variable with an asterisk symbol. And the structure is data type, then asterisk, then the name, then you terminate. So when you take the int data type, it will be int asterisk, then the name, which will take ptr is equal to ampersand. So you start by initializing a variable. Let's initialize a variable a. So int a is equal to 10. So for the structure of a pointer, it is int asterisk, then the pointer plt is equal to ampersand a, then you terminate, and the plt holds the address of a. Yes, it holds the address of a. That's, for example, as shown here, int var equals 22, then terminate, int asterisk ptr is equal to the ampersand var, then you terminate. And when you want to dereference a pointer, this is the process of accessing the value present at the memory address pointed by the pointer. Example, int asterisk ptr is equal to ampersand, then var, that's the variable. So you will see out asterisk of the pointer. So when you see out, you're going to get the address of that pointer. Yes, you're going to see the address of that pointer. Like, for example, this is an address 0x7FFE075. This is an address, yes, address for the variable. So now let's show a practical example of the pointers. So this is a practical example of the pointers.
Yes.
So now let's move on to modifying a pointer address. A pointer can be modified to point to another address if it's of the same type. For example, int, then when the asterisk pointer is equal to ampersand a, then it terminates, and pointer is equal to ampersand b, then it terminates. This is modifying another address if it's the same type.